Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Khanya Dladla, best known as GC Onuzalo, he returns to the show. Dladla is very excited that he is returning to the show together with his good friend Noxie Mabika, who plays Tobile. He said, "It's sad to see some actors leaving the show. Actors like Dawn Thandeka King, who played Mangobo. Also Siyabonga Shibe, who played Kabanga. And Baby Cele, who played Kapsile, and also Jet Novuka, who played Captain Pamban." He said, "It's been a long time coming. I was really excited when I was called to come back to the show. It's a bonus that I'm coming back with one of my good friends, Noxie Mabika, who played Tobile. I can't wait for people to see what we have in store for them. But it's saddening me that some of people I adore on the show and have loved to work with are leaving. Kusazoba mnandi. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it."